Welcome to Gaming Fin, your channel for everything related to the gaming industry and the financial markets, my friends. So today we're going to talk about Ubisoft. And why are we going to talk about Ubisoft? Because they were announcing Rainbow Six Mobile, and I think this is very big. That's huge for the stock. So, or maybe not for the stock, but it's huge in general for Ubisoft to jump into the mobile market, my friend. So, little disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a retail investor that likes to talk about stocks, especially about gaming stocks. So, and also disclaimer, I'm invested in Ubisoft. So let's have a little look, or a direct look on the chart. So what happened today? So today Ubisoft is 1.58% up, which is actually good when we compare it to the overall market performance today. So the Nasdaq, for example, is down 2.24%. The S&P 500 is down 1.26%. Of course, they were also dropping much more in the after hours, and Ubisoft Entertainment is trading in the morning and a little bit in the afternoon, and it's trading at the Paris Stock Exchange. And if you look, for example, at the WIX, the fear index, let's call it like this, so the volatility index 13.25% up. This is giving us the sign, of course, that the investors are the investors are a little bit, or have to brace themselves for a little bit more volatility. So with regard to this, I would say this is pretty impressive with Ubisoft to be up this today. And if we look at this chart from 2013, I would say a long-term chart. So if you, for example, invested in 2013 and someone would have told you here after the little crash from Ubisoft, you see, you can buy Ubisoft now for €770, and then you would say, okay, I don't know, I don't really like Ubisoft people. If I shall invest it, and then you invested and you were waiting and your stock was falling again, you were waiting and the stock was falling again, and then in 2015 it was going up to €28 and you were like, wow, amazing, I'm going to sell my Ubisoft stock. And then you were selling, and it was going down to 18, and then it was going up to €37, and then you would have said, now I'm that's annoying that I sold actually already. And then other people were trading it, and then imagine in 2017, then at one point people were jumping in the Ubisoft stock, and it was going up to oh my god, €107. €107. It never came to this again. And then it was dropping. People were probably getting in again, and then it was dropping more. And then the corona, the pandemic down was €40, and from the €40 in the pandemic times, we were going up to €85, and then you probably should have sold it there, but you didn't. You were just holding on. And now you see where we are again. So we are back. We're back at the corona, valuation, at the corona time. So probably this is where the Ubisoft stock obviously belongs. So I would always say they belong there where the pre-corona crash situation is, but yeah, at the moment it's still also massively, well, not massively, sorry for saying this, it's also overvalued. So let's put it like this. So everything looks more or less fine here with my trend line I was painting here in, and then the Fibonacci retracement. So we're between this middle green Fibonacci retracements here. You see the numbers, so 0.5 and 0.382. So it shows that it's still overvalued, but yeah, we were coming back from some completely different valuation. So of course, if it falls from here, then it's, in my opinion, really a big buy, and I would invest much more. At the moment, I'm with my position, I think, more or less happy, but I could imagine actually, due to the Tom Clancy Rainbow Six Mobile announcement, to put a little bit more money to work. So since it was also now in February, we saw a little breakout, but of course we didn't manage to go further, since the overall market situation doesn't really allow this. But as long as we're on this trend line, I'm happy, and I'm happy to average down. So if we look here on Yahoo Finance, of course, So what can you see here? So you see a PE ratio, a price to earnings ratio of 61. This is high, guys. This is really high. So don't have to tell you what PE ratio means. So someone asked me once what this means. So dude, come on. I'm not investing since now almost 6-7 years, and I don't know how to work with the price to earnings ratio. So this is obviously expensive, but if you say this is a growth stock and I think they are growing every year 30%, 40%, yeah, then maybe this would be okay. But I don't think that Ubisoft is such a growth stock. So we can also look into the financials, but this is not the purpose now of my channel. So I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not looking at the financials. So I'm a gamer that likes to invest. So that's more the purpose of those videos. So, and then yeah, current, so average 55 euros. Current price target is then 42, of course, but the 55 target is actually kind of low, I have to say, but probably that's realistic. Then we have a strong buy recommendations. You always have to look from when those recommendations are. And if we look here, for example, in 2021 we had positive earnings of 103 million, but in 20 we had negative earnings. So that's not fun, guys. That's not fun, to be honest. To be honest, this is not fun. So Ubisoft announcement, I just talked about this. So yeah, Tom Clancy Rainbow Six Mobile, a new free-to-play game, tactical first-person shooter mobile game from the re-owned Rainbow Six franchise for iOS and Android, led by a new and dedicated team at Ubisoft Montreal. It's going to bring the Ubisoft Siege experience to mobile. That's good. So people like this game. And then what do we see? So probably it's going to have microtransactions, otherwise they don't earn money with it. So I think they're going to inspire themselves a lot by Call of Duty Mobile, which is a massive success in certain markets, especially in markets like I think China and also India. It was, so it's a success in markets where people have a mobile phone but maybe not a PC with to actually play more demanding games. So you can sign up for the beta and you can get a chance to participate there. So shall I show you the announcement trailer? I don't know. If you're interested in the trailer, probably click here. So I can already tell you it looks like a Rainbow Six. It looks actually pretty good. So obviously you also need to have a mobile phone that is able to play this. So but I think you will get a decent Rainbow Six experience. And if you have, for example, a special mobile phone for gaming with special controllers, I think that's going to be pretty cool. Otherwise, of course, you have to play it with the touchscreen, and that's not so much fun. Alright, so with this I would say I'm leaving this video here. So I hope you got some ideas about the Ubisoft stock after the announcement of Tom Clancy Rainbow Six Mobile. So very interesting. So definitely worth to look out for it. So, and yeah, with that I'm leaving it, and wish you happy successful investing and good evening. See you the next time. Bye bye.